Well, good morning. Product of the day is Bloodstock Insurance. So I am Jagendra Rana explaining to you this Bloodstock Insurance. See, horse ownership is an extremely exciting and rewarding experience. It's also an investment which involves significant financial and emotional commitment over a period of time. So with horses and equipment often costing thousands of pounds, you will want to make sure your investment is adequately protected should unforeseen incident occur. So, the policy is designed for the solutions like foals, yearlings and stores, brood mares and stallions, race horses, competition horses, non-thoroughbreds. These are all insurable. Because the Bloodstock Insurance protects owners, breeders, and trainers of horses from accidents that can happen during training, transportation, or breeding. It can cover a range of risks including mortality. If a horse dies, is killed, or has to be put down due to an accidental injury, illness, or disease, then theft, the fair market value of the horse is covered up to the sum insured. Infertility, that covers total permanent infertility or inability to serve mares. And foal protection, this covers the fetus in the mare from 45 days after the last mating until 30 days after birth. And veterinary fees, this covers emergency surgical procedure fees and major medical coverage. Stallion loss of income covers the loss of income for a stallion. Frozen semen, that covers frozen semen. So bloodstock insurance policies can be tailored to specific requirements. They are often taken out by owners and breeders of high value horses such as race horses, competition horses, dressing horses, show jumping horses, and eventing horses. So the bloodstock and race horse industry is highly valuable, with large investments being made in the breeding and racing of horses. Race horse and bloodstock insurance is designed to protect owners, breeders, and trainers from unforeseen accidents, whether these take place during training, transportation, or breeding. A specialist bloodstock or race horse insurance policy will ensure you have the correct security in place and that your assets are protected. So, along with the joys of owning high value race horses and competition horses, comes a constant worry about illness and injury, as well as issues such as infertility that can add to financial stress. So the bloodstock policy provides the solutions to give you peace of mind, because this policy will cover all risk, mortality cover, no upper limit, theft and unlawful removal, infertility of both mares and stallions, veterinary fees and major medical coverage or emergency surgery cost, loss of use, incapacity and infertility, protection of horses in transit, loss of unborn and prospective foals, stallion loss of income, frustration of import or export, Australian unavailability, frozen semen, care custody and control insurance, fall of hammer cover for illness or death immediately after purchases. So benefits of cover are that this policy protects both the physical health of the horse and the financial impact of events such as injury, death and infertility. Policy also covers syndicates as well as single owners or company ownership, and then pays the agreed value at the time of loss rather than just market value. So the lower value horses can be just as highly priced as thoroughbreds. Insurers also provide the cover for foals, retired horses and companion animals as well as a wide range of non-competition activities and shows including pony riding, club activities, show jumping, evening dresses and polo. So under this policy, mortality cover and loss of horse by death or straying, hospitalization and stabling cost, veterinary fees, personal accident cover, liability cover for damage caused by a horse, legal advice if a claim is made against you, loss of use if a horse is ill or injured, disposal following death, loss or theft of saddlery and tack, and trailers and horse-drawn vehicles. So this policy gives you peace of mind, cover for the death and well-being of the horse. It also covers costs suggested with injury and death and liability for third-party damage. You can insure for purchase price, market value or a sum of your choosing. Major international sporting events involving horses, such as the Olympics or prestigious horse races, drive the demand for insurance. Participants, sponsors, and even organizers may require insurance coverage to protect against potential losses related to the health or performance of horses. Horses participating in these events are often highly valuable, sometimes worth millions of dollars. The owners and stakeholders such as sponsors have substantial financial interest in the health, performance and outcome of these events. Insurance helps mitigate the risk of financial losses due to factors such as illness, injury or even death of the horse. So the horse insurance market is a niche and a specialized segment compared to other areas of the insurance industry. The limited size of the market coupled with the high level of expertise and specialized knowledge required to underwrite equine risks can restrict competition among insurers. So this lack of competition may result in fewer options for consumers, potentially limiting innovations in insurance products and services. Moreover, insurers may face challenges in achieving economies of scale, which can impact their ability to offer competitive pricing and comprehensive coverage options to a diverse range of horse owners. So major international sporting events and sponsorship activities in the equestrian industry significantly impact the demand for insurance. Events such as the Olympics, World Equestrian Games and prestigious horse races attract high-profile participants, sponsors and spectators, each requiring insurance coverage to mitigate financial risks. For example, in May 2024, US Equestrian announced Markel as the official equine insurance sponsor of the Equine, that is Junior Hunter National Championship. So, based on the type, market is segmented into mortality, major medicals and surgical, loss of use, liability and others. The mortality segment accounted for the largest market share with over 40% in 2023. This segment is crucial for horse owners and stakeholders as it protects their financial investments and their animals. The mortality insurance covers the death of a horse due to various causes such as illness, injury, natural causes, and theft. High performance and breeding horses are valued and it provides financial protection against unexpected losses. Policies typically compensate owners for the agreed upon value of the horse in the event of its death. The horse insurance market share was valued at $550.9 million in 2023 and is anticipated to register a CAGR of over 10% between 24 to 2032. The market is significantly impacted by the values of horses, which can vary widely based on the factors such as breed, pedigree, performance history, and current market trends. So in India also the general insurance companies are covering the horses or the providing Bloodstock Insurance policy. Normally the company will indemnify, these insurers are indemnifying the insured subject to the limit of indemnity in respect of death cover. The accidental death or death from any disease of any animal described in the schedule and belonging to the insured occurring during the policy period, and disability cover if specifically opted by the insured and additional premium paid. The policy shall be extended up to cover the permanent total disability of the animal arising out of accident, provided the indemnity is limited to maximum of 80% of the market value of the sum insured, whichever it is. So this is the coverage, and the policy also has the assessment of payment subject to the operative clause of the policy. The company shall pay in the event of death claims admissible under the policy, and even in the event of permanent total disability, the company will provide the coverage. Now the policy does not cover certain risks like malicious or willful injury, accidents occurring and or disease contracted prior to commencement of race, or diseases, glanders and South African horses, sickness, etc., theft or clandestine sale of the insured animal, disability, temporary, permanent, total or partial, as per the coverage of the policy. So this policy is good even for those who are using horses, and according to the other countries, because in other countries also the policy is provided, this market is influenced by technological advancement in veterinary care and a growing focus on risk management strategies to mitigate potential losses. See, Japanese insurers are increasingly adopting digital platform to enhance customer service and streamline insurance processes, catering to the preference of tech-savvy horse owners. So regulatory oversight ensures the integrity and reliability of insurance products, supporting the market stability and growth amid evolving industry dynamics. Market is very big for the horse insurances because there are plenty of major players operating in the horse insurance industry. And the insurance policy is known as the equine insurance, designed specifically for the horse business and offers a range of policy and coverage. That provides insurance against unforeseen costs and can be incurred by the horses, farms, equestrian experts and other related parties. The equine insurance is used by horse farms, horse industry groups, rodeo, equestrian professionals, clubs and exhibits related to the horse business. Thank you very much.